Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your SST teacher and my name is Sufia Farhan. Our today's lesson is lesson number 5 and the name of lesson is pollution. Before going to start what is pollution and what is meant by this term, we'll start our day with the moral lesson, and our today's moral lesson is honesty is the best policy. Honesty means being truthful. Students, it means to speak truth always. And telling the truth is better than lying even when it is hard to do. Because if you speak the truth, then everybody trusts on you. An honest person shows good behavior and always follow the rules, maintain discipline in life, speak the truth, and is always punctual. An honest person is trustworthy as he always tend to speak the truth. So we must follow this rule that try to speak truth always when it is hard for you to do. Now come to our today's topic. These are the pages of your reading book. The name of the chapter is clear to you, pollution. In the previous lesson, I have told you about pollution and its type, how many types are there, all these things I have discussed in the previous lesson. Today we are going to do the workbook pages of this lesson. Our question number 1 is, make a list of things that can be recycled. Right? So first of all, I'll tell you what is the meaning of recycling. Recycling is using trash to remake new goods or new things that can be sold again. Clear? And the example of recycled things are paper, plastic bottles can be used oil, the oil that is already used, batteries of toys also, glass bottles, glass in broken form, and tires a rubber sort of thing. Then second term is reuse. Reuse is finding a new way to use trash so that we don't have to throw it out. And the example of reuse is not many examples are there. Plastic milk and juice bottles, play sets, new bottles, plastic detergent bottles, buckets, containers, frisbees, and stadium seats. Then third is reduce. Reduce. The meaning of the word is to lessen something, to make the amount less. Reduce karna, kam karna. So reducing means is cutting back on the amount of trash we make. Proper meaning of this term is to make the amount of trash less. Use natural sources wisely. And the example of reducing things is old clothes, drinking cans, glass bottles, your books, jam jars, batteries, plastic bags, fabric bags, chocolate tins. A lot many examples are there. Now come to the next question. Question number 1. Define pollution. Question is, define pollution. Pollution means any impurity in soil, water, and environment. Pollution means any impurity in soil, water, and environment. Question number 2 is, what are the main kinds of pollution? There are 4 main kinds of pollution. Number 1, air pollution. Number 2, water pollution. Number 3, land or soil pollution. And number 4 is noise pollution. Question number 3 is, how can we prevent pollution? How can we prevent pollution? We must throw trash in proper places, plant more trees, use natural fertilizers, don't buy products in polythene bags. Number 5 is, avoid burning trash. And number 6, don't smoke. So by following these things, we can prevent pollution. Prevent means to stop. Okay class, this is your homework. You have to learn chapter 5 from your workbook. Allah Hafiz.